All right, there you have it. 5 ice scrapers or putty knives or whatever you want to use them for. Kind of one of those near perfect gifts. Great for like an office exchange, for that person that has everything and you don't know what to buy him or her. It's near perfect. They are set to be ice scrapers. I don't know how well this plastic will do for like heavy ice, but definitely like snow, light ice would be really good for that. The plastic's a little soft for me for that ice that really sticks to your windshield, but we'll have to see and see how it works out. I'll put a link in the description for the plastic that I use. Also, I'll put a link in the description for Kenny Earrings channel. That is where I seen this, and I thought it was a great idea, so I went ahead and made a few for gift exchanges, and I think it's going to go over pretty good. The reason I dipped the handles into the urethane is I really wanted a thick finish, and I didn't want to apply 7 coats to get it nice and thick. So I just dipped it and let it hang, and it actually worked out really well. Very light sanding afterwards, and I put a coat of wax on it, and they turned out really good. The only downside was dipping it is when you're hanging it, everything falls to the end, and you have that little bubble of finish right there at the bottom, so you have to take care of that. But other than that, they turned out really good. I'm pretty pleased with them, and I got 5 gifts off my list to do this year. So that's all I got for you this week. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And until next time, I'll see you later.